what's your role here at Kawneer?
Hey everyone, I'm Sneh Kumar. I'm the Global Director of Sustainability and ESG.
And how did you get your start in the industry?
In my grad school, I ended up applying my mechanical engineering fundamentals around heat transfer and fluid dynamics on building products and buildings. And that's where, I came to learn about the importance of building and the role they have in terms of global greenhouse gas emission. And then I got hired into the building products company, and 20 years later, I'm still enjoying it.
So what role does sustainability play in the product innovation process?
It's been significant. So if you look in the last 20 years, some of the major advancements in our product has been improving the thermal performance of product. So the product design and what materials you select, how you design your product is very, very important in terms of providing a solution which can address the life cycle or design of the building and reduce its overall environmental impact. Our company has a role to play in terms of its strategy and where we want to go, but it's dependent upon us people, all around in our plants and them executing on it. So when we look at the operation side of things, efficient operation is more sustainable. Also in our personal lives, choices we make has a significant impact on the environment and sustainability point of view, reducing waste, reusing material, recycling properly. Choices of clothing, choices of commute, all that has impact on the environment. And as we learn more, we want to incorporate more in our daily lives to make sure we are doing what we can to reduce the environmental impact of our personal footprint.
Great. And what excites you most about coming to work every day?
I think, again, finding meaning in the work as well as working with fun colleagues, which makes it enjoyable. So finding purpose in what we are doing, and it has a larger meaning, helping the business as well as doing our bits to solve some of the bigger challenges.
When you're not working, where can we find you, Sneh?
Well, hanging out with my kids, playing some sports, or traveling, attending either a marketing conference or meeting with architects.